Barry McCoy with McCoy's Bad Boy Rods. Today we're working on a 1947 Chris Craft engine. It's actually known as the Hercules. It's the K series. This particular one's the stroker motor. And what we're doing today is we're grinding new valve seats. You can see right here this exhaust seat is heavily pitted right here. So we're going to be cutting a new seat here, and we're going to be replacing it with a hardened seat right here. Alright, to start this off, I'm going to bring the head down. I'm going to turn my mill on. I'm raising the table up until I just start to touch the top of the engine head. Because we have a little bit of wear on here, I'm going to kiss this until it touches all the way around. I've already measured the seat. The seat measures 0.218. And then I'm going to take my cutting this one dry. Okay, I have two cutters I'm going to use. The first one was a 50 thousandths under, 1.5 inches. So I'm going to install my second cutter. Alright, we already have our cutter changed out. I've already located the top of the head and set my 0 again. So we're ready to cut the second step of our pocket. Alright, so got my hole sized and to depth. I had the perfect size cutter for this. It gives me about 7 thousandths press on this bore that I put in here. Now what I've done is I've frozen this ring in a blue bag that you get from your chiropractor, and I've already pre-frozen this. And right in here, it's frozen to the point where I can actually take my mill head and just press that part right down in. So I've already got it pressed in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the mill head out. I want to seat my seat, and I'll show you how we grind the valve angle on here. It gets a 30-degree angle. Okay, so for the final step here, I want to show everybody, I just bought this, the New Way Manufacturing Incorporated. This is a valve seat cutting kit. Basically, it's a very simple kit. I got brand new guides in here. So basically, I take my rod and I just shove it right down into the guide here. I take my key cutter, making sure I grab the right one. I've got a 45-degree on one side, and I got a 30-degree on the other side. This is a 30-degree valve seat. I'm going to set it down, and basically, it's like having a coffee grinder. I'm just going to slowly grind, or cut, if you will, the seat in. You're supposed to cut it dry. If you do need a little lubrication, you're supposed to use water or Windex. I never knew this, but they say oil will actually eat the carbide edges off and take away the cutter life. I'm just going to lift it up, and I can see that got about 75 thousandths of an angle on there, flat. I want it to be about 100. And that's about it. And that's the finish of our video. Thank you for watching. My name is Barry McCoy with McCoy's Bad Boy Rods. You can check out our products at badboyrods.com. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at McCoy's Bad Boy Rods. Have a great day.